So we're going to take a look at a couple shapes and identify parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and angles in these shapes. So in this first one, I noticed that this top line and this bottom line are going to be considered parallel. They would not cross paths if they extended out further, and they're opposite of each other. Now if I look at the other two sides, these lines would eventually cross each other, but they don't meet at a 90-degree angle, so they do not have a label at all. And if we look at the angles that this shape has, these two angles are larger than 90 degrees, so they would be obtuse. And the two angles down here are smaller than 90 degrees, so they would be considered acute. If we look at our other shape, we have two lines across from each other that would never meet, so we have two parallel lines again, and I'm going to label them with the letter A. And then I also have another set of parallel lines on the other side, and I'm going to label these B. And there are right angles in all four corners, which means I have perpendicular lines. So these two are perpendicular, and these two are perpendicular to each other. You'll have to see if you can find some other perpendicular lines within this square. Now for my angles, because they're all 90 degrees, they have 4 right angles within a square.